All right, the drink we're about to make is called a Roselyn Cocktail. We've got a martini glass with some water and ice sitting to the side. While we're making our drink, it'll get it nice and chilled. All right, measure out 1.5 ounces of gin. And follow that up with 3/4 of an ounce of dry vermouth. And next we'll add a 1/2 teaspoon of grenadine. Now let's go ahead and stir it up. Get your strainer and a spoon. And we'll get it nice and cold. So we've got a nice rose color. All right. Go ahead and dump out your ice water. And strain it in. And that is a Roselyn cocktail. You can garnish that with a lemon peel as well. Bottoms up.